Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to create a virtual operating system using the software VMware workstation within another operating system. We click on the create a new virtual machine option. We will be directed to a wizard where we will see two options, typical and custom. As recommended, we will select the typical option and then click next. Now we see three options to select the source file. Can be either the installer disk or the ISO, or we can install it later. We select the ISO image. Now we enter the details which we will use to log in to the main operating system. That is, once the operating system is done installation, we will use these details to log in to the system. We name the virtual machine and then locate it. We now allocate the maximum disk size. By default it is 20. Now we customize the hardware, that is, we specify the hardwares that will be allocated to the virtual machine. We can increase the memory that will be allocated to the virtual operating system, the processors, and similarly all the other hardwares. Now we click on finish. The operating system will be installed, which I have skipped, and then it will be loaded. Just like a normal operating system, the current operating system, that is the virtual operating system, will start loading. As you can see, the operating system that is being installed and started is the Red Hat operating system. So it is now loading. You can also see on the left hand side the various virtual machines that we have created earlier. So we can select on either one of them and start them. So you can see the operating system is almost loaded. Once the operating system, which is virtual, is loaded, we will be directed to the login screen where we have to enter the details that we have used while setting up the operating system configurations. The operating system has now loaded, and now we will be directed to the login page or the login screen. Here we enter the password that we have used previously. Now, just like a normal operating system, the virtual operating system that we have created just now has loaded and the main screen has appeared. As you can see, this is the main screen with all the options available as would the normal operating system provide. So these are the applications, the places. This is the home folder, the system. You can see this is exactly similar to the actual operating system. We now shut down. So you can see this virtual operating system is being run inside the current operating system that I am using, that is Windows. Thank you.